As you can see here, I crashed my drone inside this huge IKEA parking deck. After the crash, my camera changed some settings for the lighting, but I, as confident as I are, thought I can bring up my drone safe, so just watch what happens. That's right, you didn't see much. Me too. I thought it was the perfect idea to just disarm and hope that I don't fall down the building. You can guess 3 times what happened? I fell off the building, correct. But never mind. Thanks for watching.